I was first introduced to theatre when I was 17, when I was in Tampines Junior College. I did theatre studies then, and then after that I went to Universal Studios to work as a dancer. After that, I enrolled into LaSalle College of the Arts. I took my diploma in performance there and also my degree in musical theatre. Well, I think for me it's very important to connect with my co-actors. I will always like to have a conversation with them, just play around, have fun, communicate and connect with them. I think it sets the entire energy and the momentum of the show for the day. Advice to young performers. I myself is also a young performer, so what I always try to remind myself personally is to always focus on the work, love the art in yourself, not yourself in the art. I think that helps myself to remove the insecurities and the doubts you have about yourself as a performer, what you can offer. It helps you look at the larger picture, which is the message of the show, the intention and the words behind the script. So I think that is very useful for me. So hopefully that works for you too. I don't think there's a particular specific person that I draw inspiration from. I basically draw inspiration from many people across different walks of life, and I kind of jumble it up and make it my own rojak. So yeah, basically anybody and everybody actually. I believe that there is something to learn from everybody. I've always wanted to create my own show, and so I have this theatre collective called Bite Size Theatre Productions. It's with 3 of my other friends, and we are basically working on our very first original pop musical that will be showing next year in May. It's called Monster in the Mirror, and check it out! And that's all. Thanks so much everybody, have a good day, bye!